Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USDC on Coinbase. First, create or log in to your existing Coinbase account. Ensure your identity verification is complete to enable trading and comply with regulations. Then, link a payment method, such as a bank account or debit card, to fund your purchases. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and secure transaction process, allowing you to proceed with confidence. Once your account is ready, it is time to add funds. Navigate to the Add Funds or Deposit section within your Coinbase interface. Select your preferred linked payment method, like your bank account. Enter the specific amount of fiat currency you wish to deposit. Confirm the details to initiate the transfer, making your funds available for buying USDC. With funds in your account, you are ready to purchase USDC. Use the search bar to find USDC among the available assets. Select the buy option for USDC. Enter the desired amount you wish to convert from your fiat currency into USDC. Review the transaction details, including any fees, before confirming your purchase. Your USDC will then appear in your portfolio. After your purchase, verify your new USDC balance in your Coinbase portfolio. You can then choose to hold your USDC on Coinbase or transfer it to an external wallet for greater control. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals we have found for you. Thank you for watching, and happy crypto investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.